Hi guys, here's the lesson for 2.4. This is part 2 of the lesson. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd. Okay, so yesterday we went over number lines, locating numbers on the number lines. I discussed with you how we count how we find out what they're counting by each tick mark. They give you clues by putting these numbers here, and you have to count up. In this case, they were counting by 1 because here's 20, here's 5. We counted up, and we found that each tick mark was 1 more. And then here, they asked us to put 28 and 63 on the number line, and that's where they just want us to know approximately, if we know approximately where it goes, okay? So we went over that. We went over filling in numbers in the number line. So here they give us clues that they're counting by tens, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660. Okay. And you were supposed to do the this page by yourself, this number 7, 8, 9, those 3 numbers by yourself, and submit that into the lesson 2.4 part 1 in the Google Classroom under math assignments. All right, now we're moving on. That was just a quick recap. Now we're moving on. Okay, so we're still talking about locating numbers on a number line. Again, I've shortened these lessons because I want you to get on Education Galaxy and practice locating numbers on the number line on Education Galaxy. All right, write numbers for the points on the number line. Here we go again. Numbers on the points. So this is 200, this is 210. How many did they go up from 200 to 210? How many more is that? It's 10 more. Therefore, we know that they're counting by tens. Very good. 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, there we go, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. Very good. Draw and label points for 310, 348, 420. So we are going to draw and label where we think these numbers will go on this number line. We know that the first number they gave us is 300, and the last number they gave us is 430. So we have to draw the tick marks. I always told you that it's probably the best idea to count up from 10, okay? So we can go ahead and start counting up from 10, or we can just approximately put them in order from least to greatest where you think they're going to go. But I'm going to go ahead and count by 10. So if this is 300, then this is 310, and then there's like 10 little tick marks here. It would be really small. And the reason I did it so small, and Ms. Yusuf, this line is huge, why don't you not just do it here? Because I'm giving myself room, because there's a lot. If we're counting by tens, there's going to be a lot of tick marks between 300 to 430. 430 is drastically larger than 300. So I need to leave some room. So here is 300, here's 310. So it says find 310. 310 would go right there. And you'd write 310, okay, and then 320, 330, 340, 350, oh, well, hold on, 348, if this is 340 and this is 350, 348 is pretty close to 350, so I would write 348 here, 348. Okay, we said this is 350. This is 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 410, 420. Obviously my spacing is completely off, but that's okay. The point is to know that 420 is the closest to 430. I would actually write 420 here, even though my spacing is a little off, but that's okay. Don't let it throw you off. As long as your numbers are in order from least to greatest, your answer is okay. All right? All right, let's look at number 3. Multi-step. There are points on this number line for the numbers 525, 560, and a mystery number. So that's a number we're going to have to figure out what it is. Label all the points. So we have to try to plug in 525, 560, and then the third one we're going to put our guess on what we think it might be. This is 300. This is 400. This is 500. This is 600. The first thing I do is look at the numbers they provided us. They provided us with these numbers. What's the number that goes right between 300 and 400? What is this mark right here? We need to figure out what this mark is in order to get a better idea on what this mark is. If this is 300 and this is 400, the middle ground between 300 and 400 is 350. So this would be 350. So the number that goes here would be bigger than 350 but smaller than 400. Is 525 bigger than 350? It is. But is it smaller than 400? It's not. Is 560 bigger than 350? It is. Is it smaller than 400? It's not. So this must be the mystery number they want us to figure out. So I would write any number that's between 350 and 400. And it looks like it's smack down in the middle again. And if they're counting by 25s, so this is 300, 325, 350, then this would probably be 375, right? So it's the middle ground between 350 and 400. So this is 375, 400, this is 450. Remember, the middle ground is always 50. So 450. And this is 500. This is 550. Right here, this is 550. So what would this be? This is going to be a number that's bigger than 500, but smaller than 550. Is 525 bigger than 500? It is. Is 525 smaller than 550? It is. 525 is smaller than 550. Okay. Is 560 bigger than 550? It is. Is it smaller than 600? It is. So this number would be 560. Okay. All right. So I expect you to do number 4, 5, and 6 on your own. If you finish that fast and you find that this is super easy, you can go on and work a little bit on the purple page today. But I really kept the purple page and the test for tomorrow. So tomorrow, Thursday, you're going to do this purple page and you're going to take the test. What test? How does the test look? Where is the test? I sent it home with you during the drive-by pickup. Okay, it looks like this, but it says Module 2 at the top. Okay, it's one of those printout papers. I had it somewhere laying around here, but I have a mess going on over here. Anyway, I've attached it to, oh, here it is. This is the Module 2 test you guys are going to take to, oops, yeah, this is it. You're going to take tomorrow, okay? It says at the top, it says Module 2 Test Page 1. It looks like that. Okay, so this is the test you're going to take on Thursday. You're going to take a picture of that, send it to my email, write Module 2 Test. And then you're going to do the purple page and then take a picture of it and post it in the assignment for test review on Google Classroom. But that is not today, that is tomorrow. I'm just letting you know because I am not going to make a video for tomorrow because tomorrow is test day. I can't teach a test, I've been teaching all week. I need to see what you know and what you don't know, okay? All right, so go ahead and do the yellow page today. Go ahead and, like, once you finish this, go ahead and do the yellow page. And then if you want, you can move on and save yourself some work from tomorrow and do the purple page. And then tomorrow, all you have to do is the test. Or you can just do the yellow page, and then tomorrow you'll do the purple page and the test. Whatever you want. Okay, it's up to you. All right, guys, have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye. I'll be online.